Hello, everyone. Welcome to another guest internet video in our series of instructional videos teaching people how to use the guest internet products. Before I start, I want to remind you that if you are going to configure a guest internet product, please download the configuration guide. This tells you how to connect the equipment, how to go through the setup wizard, and how to log in as the administrator. It really is important that you read this first before you start trying to configure the product. Otherwise, you might get stuck during the configuration process. Once you log in as the administrator, then you'll see the system information page, which is shown here. And today, I'm going to continue going through our advanced settings. We're going to scroll down to the blocked IP list. Now, this is a popular feature because it allows you to block access to specific websites. You can put the domain name or you can put the IP address. And this has several features, okay? We can make the list apply to all logins, or we can have a free block list that applies to free logins. Okay, so we have these options, and we can add the IP address or domain name. We add a description to explain why we're doing this, and we can add more. We can add up to 100 simply by clicking this button here. Now, why would we want to block an IP address? Well, if we have a business and we're providing a service, maybe we don't want people to look at certain websites that are out there, maybe a competitor's website or something like that. If we want to block a whole range of websites, remember we do have the content filter feature, which I explained in a different video. So with the content filter, you can block a website category, for example, like violence. And so this allows you to, this feature allows you to block very specific websites. And it's used by not only people who provide an internet service through an internet service provider, but businesses like churches that provide the internet for people who attend services, and they want to block certain websites, like preventing people using social media while they're in the church. And so that's another popular application. We have more information in our manual. So please go to our website. Top right-hand corner, there's a button to download the manual. So download the manual and read more about this feature. Well, thank you very much for watching. Look out for more videos in this series where we explain the guest internet features. So bye for now.